good.
Wanna go to bed?
Not again.
Wanna go to bed?
Oh, that parrot.
You're the one who wanted the parrot. You had to expect that it was going to make
I guess I didn't expect that it would be this bad.
Wanna go to bed?
I'm going to train that parrot if it's the last thing I do.
Oh, I'm going to throw out a load of laundry. Good luck.
Wanna go to bed?
What's up, Alfie?
Wanna go to bed?
Want to go to bed.
Wanna go to bed?
No. You have to enunciate. Want to go to bed.
Want to go to bed?
Good. All right. That's a start. But Alfie, your sentence is missing a subject. Who wants to go to bed?
Alfie wants to go to bed.
Okay, good. But use of the third person in English normally signifies what?
Pretension.
Yes. So it would be more colloquial to say,
I want to go to bed.
now we're getting somewhere. But don't just make me listen to your story. Make me live it. Paint me a picture. Where do you want to go to bed?
Williamsburg.
What are you, Alfie?
I'm a hipster douchebag.
Alfie, you're a parrot.
I'm a hipster douchebag parrot.
Rise above that instinct, Alfie. Where do you want to go to bed?
Midtown.
Midtown? How are you going to afford Midtown Manhattan?
Mortgage.
Oh yeah? What kind of mortgage are you going to get?
Interest only.
Do you have an increasing and relatively certain cash flow? Some nest egg I don't know about?
Adjustable rate mortgage.
Beyond this mess, do you not read the newspapers we line your cage with? Your rates are going to reset and then your payments are going to be so high.
Ponzi scheme.
Now you're talking. So, Alfie, what's up?
I want to go to bed in a new house in Midtown, paid for by the spoils of bilking gullible investors out of their funds.
Good boy, good parrot.
You're still at it?
No, you got it, I did it. I'm the best parrot trainer ever. He's a pretty good parrot too. Just ask him what's up.